kids, let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog. Let's learn some colors. Light green color, yellow color, red color, sky blue color, light pink color, dark green color, orange color, light pink color, dark pink color, sky blue color, black color, light brown color, dark brown color, purple color, blue color. Red color. A, red color. A for apple, red color. B, B for ball, B for ball. Sky blue color. B for ball, sky blue color. C, C for cat. Dark brown color. C for cat. C for cat, dark brown color. D, D for dog, dark green color. D for dog, dark green color. E, E for elephant, pink color. E for elephant. E for elephant. F, F for frog. Blue color. F for frog. This is red color. Sky blue color. Brown color. Dark green color. Pink color. Blue color. So A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. Red color, sky blue color, brown color, dark green color, pink color, blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.